Hey guys, welcome back to PPC Tip Week. For tip number 2, we looked at what happens when keywords drain a lot of money. If you haven't checked out the video, find the link in the description below. For today's tip, we look at what happens when you don't invest enough money on converting keywords. It's a general practice to move high converting keywords to manual campaigns, but not very often sellers experiment with the high converting keywords by increasing bids or adding more keyword variations. So by increasing bids, you can expect more visibility in terms of appearing at the top of the page, or you can expect increased impressions. But you have to keep in mind that by increasing bids, you could be increasing your ACoS as well. So an optimal spot has to be identified where you maximize sales by keeping the costs as low as possible. Another experiment that you can do is by identifying keyword variations of these high converting keywords. So for example, you could start a manual test campaign that accommodates all of these keyword variations of the high converting keywords and see which one works out the best for you. So you could do all of this effortlessly and super easily by using SellerApp PPC Analyzer. So if you go to SellerApp PPC Analyzer, which is on the left menu, and Keyword Insights, you can go to positive keywords and find out all of the keywords that are converting really well for you. So once you identify these high converting keywords, you can use SellerApp's keyword research feature, which is placed on the left menu bar, to get keyword variations of these high converting keywords. So that's it for PPC tip number 3. If you liked the video, do give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and click on the bell button so that you never miss another update. I'll be back tomorrow, same time, with another great PPC tip. See you till then.